place. So in this short tutorial, I want to show you how to boost or increase the speed of your UDP request file on socksip. So let's start by creating the account. So I've already typed in the username and the password. So let's create it. Okay, so the account has been created. So let's copy the details. So this is the username, this is the password, this is the IP address. Okay, so let's copy them. The username, let's copy it, and the password. Good. No. Let's copy the username again. Let's paste it in our notepad. Good. Username. Let's go and copy the server. Let's copy the server IP. This is the server IP, so let's copy that one too. Okay. And paste it in the notepad. Good. So we are done with the account creation. So let's move to the settings on your phone. The actual settings, your phone settings. So we are going to paste the IP address, this IP address that we copied from the website. You copy it and paste it and create a new APN. So let's go there. Then go to network and internet, then mobile network, then go to access point names. So here you click on the plus sign over there. Good. Then the name you can choose any name that you want. So let me choose DZ. Good. Click on OK. Then the APN2 is MMS. Then you move to the server, this server. So the name of the server that we copied from the website, you paste the server over here. Okay, after that you click on OK. Just follow the steps, you get everything right. So after creating the you type the name, any name, the APN MMS, then the server to paste the IP address that you got from the website. You come and paste it there. After then you move to the top right corner where the three dots are. You click on the three dots, then you click on save. Okay, so now we have to switch to the main, the new APN that we just created. So this one, we have to switch to this one and start using it. Okay, so let's click on the circle. Let's click on this small circle to activate it. The moment you click on it, the network signal, the 4G will change. Okay, so change and come back again. Okay, so now we are done with the second phase. Okay, so let's move to the app, the socksip app. So if you don't have it, go to Play Store and search for it, or I'll put the link in the description so that it will guide you to easily download it from Play Store. Okay, so let's go to the app itself. Okay, so we are in the app, and so before we start everything, let's click on the three dots at the corner here to reset it to its default state. Then you go to import and export. Then you click on reset default, reset config. So let's click on it to reset it. Good. So now we are done with that part. Then you click on the gear button, this one. Click on it. Then here you come and choose UDP request. That's the tunnel mode. Choose the UDP request. Then you come to this side too. Come to this side, configure UDP request. You click on that one too. Then here is the part that you are going to input the details that you got from the website. So this side, this one, you click on it to choose custom server, then you check this one, okay, let's check it. Then the server IP server, you paste it here, okay. Then the username, let's go for the username from the notepad. The username, okay, so the username is here. Let's copy it, go and paste it in the app. So the username will come here, and the password, you know it to be 5555. Good. Then this is the start port. Start port is always 1, and the end port is also 65535. Okay, then you cross check whether everything is okay. Okay, so now everything is okay. So you click on save, then you click here to go back. Then in order to start the connection, you click on start. Okay, so I have a tutorial on how to create your own socksip unlimited file. Okay, I have the first method and the second method. The first method, you use the premium server, which lasts for some hours. But when you use the external, if you follow the second tutorial, that one you'll be able to get a server which will last you for like a week. Okay, so all the videos are on my YouTube channel, so kindly check them out. Okay, so here we are done with the account creation, everything, all the settings. So just click on start to initiate the connection. Okay, then you monitor it at the down here. You monitor everything down here. When it's connected, you see it. They will tell you that it's connected. Okay, so let's wait for it to connect. Okay, so now it is connected. When it's connected, so when it's connected, you also see a key at the top there where the notification bar is. You see a key there. Okay, so with these settings, you will be able to watch TikTok, like stream videos online. Okay, especially if you are at a place where the network is very strong, you can watch video, TikTok, and do a whole lot of things with it. Okay, and it is unlimited. Okay, so kindly subscribe to my channel and share this video, all the tutorials, like my channel, comment whatever you don't understand, just put it in the comment section. I'll reply you. Okay, then I have a contact that you can contact me directly if you want to learn how to create your own file. If there's anything else that you want me to help you with, just contact me directly. Okay, I'll help you. So kindly share my video. Help me guys, help me like the way I'm helping you. People should help me, I beg you. Thank you.